Tuesday morning at just after 7 a.m. in the morning. Papa's playing his shakuhachi. Isn't that a beautiful vista view? That's the south end of Lord Howe Island. And that is either Rabbit Island or Mutton Island. We have a nice beach here as well. This is the panoramic view. I'm switching towards the north side of the island. That's where the lagoon is. And that's where we did our glass bottom boat tour, and all my scuba diving's been there to date. You can tell from the boat, we're at the boat shed, just adjacent to Pinetree Lodge where we're staying. Beautiful trees. Papa has now become the wandering shakuhachi player. He's walking, changing his view. He is wearing his Qantas pajamas, or jogging suit, which he and Mommy both received because they flew here to Australia, Qantas business class. See the little kangaroo? But how adeptly Papa did that, walk from one place to the other. Back there is the Pinetree Lodge, where we're staying. And then this completes the 360 panoramic view. That's where Papa was originally standing.